The T-fal 14% non-stick set is a great choice for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen. It includes a variety of pots and pans, so you can cook almost anything. The detachable handle is a smart feature. It lets you stack the cookware, saving space in your cabinets. The non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning easier. Food slides right off. You can even put these pans in the oven, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This is useful for finishing dishes under the broiler. The set is also dishwasher safe, which is a big plus. If you are into RV or camping, this set is also a good option. The brand is known for its quality. You can notice that the cherry red color adds a nice touch to your kitchen. After some research, the T-fal 14% non-stick set seems popular among many home cooks, especially women. They appreciate the convenience and versatility of the set. The different sizes, measured in quarts, are useful for various recipes. The frypans are excellent for eggs and other foods that tend to stick. This set is designed for everyday use. It is durable. It handles different cooking styles well. It's important to notice that while the handles are detachable, you should always make sure they are securely attached before lifting a pot or pan. This is for safety. The trends show that people are looking for cookware that is easy to use and clean. This set fits that need. It's a solid choice for a complete kitchen set. It is not like the trends of CDs or the COVID-19 news, but it is a good and stable kitchen solution. Overall, the T-fal 14% non-stick set is a practical and efficient cookware set. It is made for people who want to cook without a lot of fuss. The detachable handle is a key feature. It helps with storage. You get a lot of pieces in this set. This means you can cook many different meals. The non-stick surface works well. It makes cleaning up less of a chore. The oven and broiler safe feature adds to its versatility. If you need a good quality set for your kitchen, this is a good option. The T-fal 14% non-stick set is a strong contender. It is available in places like Canada, and it is a good choice for those who are looking for a reliable set. Pros: non-stick is excellent, easy to store, handles are removable, stackable design, dishwasher safe, oven safe, versatile usage, good durability, easy to clean, works on induction, space saving. Cons: handles can melt, lids aren't dishwasher safe, no lid for largest pan, needs more lids. Taking handles off is annoying. Handle removal while cooking, lids don't get very dirty. Biggest: pan lacks a lid, extra handle purchase, price tag put off buyer. Features: 14-piece set, non-stick, induction safe, oven safe. 500F, broiler safe, pots and pans set, RV, camping use, frying pans, dishwasher safe, detachable handle. The T-fal Ingenio Expertise 14-piece cookware set is designed for easy cooking and storage. It includes pots and pans with a non-stick surface, making them simple to clean. You can use them on induction stovetops and in ovens up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Even for broiling, the detachable handle saves space and makes them suitable for small kitchens, RVs, or camping. Plus, they are dishwasher safe for convenient cleanup. The T-fal Ingenio Expertise cookware set is designed for easy storage and versatile cooking. It includes stackable pots and pans with removable handles, making them space-saving and oven-safe. The non-stick surface is easy to clean and works on induction cooktops. While the set offers good durability and dishwasher safety for the cookware itself, some users find the handle removal process annoying and note that the lids are not dishwasher safe. There are also concerns about needing to buy extra lids and handles, and the price may be a drawback for some.